It's impossible for a woman to ignore you if you wish her good night. Have you ever found yourself thinking about someone all day after receiving a simple message? Well, today it's your turn to make that happen. In this video, I'm going to reveal 6 goodnight messages that no woman will be able to ignore. These are messages you can use right away, so if you're ready, stay tuned until the end, because the last message is the most powerful and the one that no woman expects. And if you think they're just words, think again. Now, let's get started. Message number 1. I hope your dreams are as interesting as the conversations we still have left to have. Who knows, maybe you'll visit me in one of them tonight. This message is a master stroke. Not only are you wishing her a good night, but you're also hinting that there's more between you than what you've already discussed. Basically, you're saying, hey, we still have plenty of conversations ahead of us, and who knows how many dreams we can explore together. You're creating an air of mystery and anticipation. It's like opening a door she didn't know was there and saying, something interesting could happen here. The best part is that it's light and fun, yet deep enough for her to think about you. You're not being too direct, but you're planting the seed of curiosity, making it clear that even while she's resting, there's a place for you in her mind. Plus, you're suggesting that the best conversations, the most interesting ones, are still to come. This gives her a reason to want to keep talking to you, to dream about you, and to think about what else might happen. In the end, the key is that it maintains that feeling that there's more to discover. And that's the spark that makes it hard for her to forget you easily. Message number 2. Sleep well, but I warn you, if you remember me too much tomorrow, you'll know we did something right. This message is pure strategy. Not only are you wishing her good night, but subtly you're saying, look, if I'm still on your mind tomorrow, it's because something is happening between us. The interesting part is that you're not saying it directly or putting pressure on her, but by adding that playful warning, you're making her think. The key here is that you awaken that sense of mystery. It makes her believe that if she remembers you more than usual the next day, it's because there's something special between you two. It's as if you're telling her everything is flowing naturally while simultaneously planting the idea that you're the reason she remembers you. It's like a little mental game that makes her want to keep talking just to confirm it. Message number 3. Good night. I don't know why, but I have a feeling you'll dream about me tonight. Let me know tomorrow if I'm right. This message is pure confidence with a touch of playfulness. You throw out a casual comment, but in reality, you're planting the idea in her head that she'll dream about you. It sounds innocent enough, but what you're doing is getting her to wonder why she would dream about you. The beauty of this message is that it's not direct or heavy. It stays light and fun while still being intriguing enough for her to mull over. Plus, it gives her a reason to talk to you the next day, because she'll definitely want to tell you if your premonition came true. The touch of mystery and humor makes it perfect because it's not too serious, but playful enough for her to smile and think about you a little more as she closes her eyes. And if she dreams about you, well done. You've managed to stay on her mind even while she sleeps. Message number 4. I hope you rest well and dream beautifully. But if I'm in those dreams, let me know tomorrow. This message is a perfect blend of humor and flirtation. By wishing her rest and beautiful dreams, you're starting on a positive note. But what really shines is when you tell her to let you know if she includes you in those dreams. That's a clever touch that makes her smile while thinking about you at the same time. This way, you're making it clear that you're eager to continue the conversation the next day, which can open the door for more interaction. It's a message that makes her feel good and laugh. And who knows, she might wake up with a smile, remembering what you said. Message number 5. Sleep well, But if tomorrow you wake up with an unexplained smile, you know who caused it. This message is a master stroke of flirtation. By wishing her well for sleep, you're already giving it a sweet and caring touch. But what really stands out is that little tease, suggesting she might wake up smiling for no reason. The great thing about this is that you're leaving her with a very positive image in mind. Instead of sending an ordinary good night message, you've transformed it into something fun and playful. It makes her think of you when she wakes up, and if she does wake up smiling, she'll likely associate that good feeling with you. That's exactly what you want, for her happiness to be linked with thoughts of you. And finally, the most powerful message, good night, or well, if you're having trouble sleeping, thinking about interesting things, feel free to write me. This message is super clever and playful. It starts with a simple good night, which is already kind and affectionate. But then it adds a twist that changes everything. By inviting her to write if she can't sleep thinking about interesting things, you're subtly opening the door for conversation. Moreover, it's an intimate gesture because it implies you're inviting her to share her thoughts and open up a bit more with you. Each of these 6 messages will greatly help your connection with women. I challenge you to try them out and see how this woman views you differently from other men. So now it's your turn. I hope this was helpful and enjoyable for you. Thank you for joining us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, good luck with your relationships.